Good morning, friends. I wanted to share really quickly how to make yogurt in the quick cooker. So this morning I have 1 bottle of this Fairlife whole ultra filtered milk. The reason you want to use this is simply because this has already been boiled before you buy it, so you can do this yogurt from a cold start method. Then I add in 1 bottle of the Coffee Mate Natural Bliss sweet cream flavored coffee creamer. You can leave this out if you don't want to have a sweet flavor, but I like adding a little bit of this. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of any yogurt that you like. I like to use the wee vanilla yogurt. You only need 2 heaping tablespoons, so you get to eat the rest for breakfast while you wait for this yogurt. So I've got all of this in here ready. You're going to whisk this together. Basically just whisking the milk, the cream, and your yogurt starter together. Then we're gonna take our quick cooker lid. The only thing I've done before I started the video is I went ahead and switched out my seal. I use a different seal for my non-savory recipes. We're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna make sure that the steam vent is closed here and that this button is up. I'm gonna turn this to the proof setting, and it automatically shows you 30 minutes. I'm gonna increase this all the way to 6 hours. Whoops, there we go. And then I'm gonna press start. So you need this to proof for 8 hours, but our proof setting only goes to 6. So I'm gonna start this at 6 hours, and then I'll just start it for 2 more when the cycle is over. So if you're like me and you need to set an alarm to remind you when to restart the quick cooker, make sure you do that in your phone. After the 8 hours is up, I'll just transfer this to the fridge, let it sit overnight, and then my yogurt will be ready. So I hope this is helpful to you guys. Have a great day.